Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the best free AI tools you should know about. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Welcome to a new video, and today we're diving into the realm of the best AI tools out there. But before we jump into the fascinating world of AI tools, let me assure you that these tools are not only powerful, but won't cost you a penny. So whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting out, this guide is tailored for everyone. Buckle up for an insightful journey as we uncover the gems of free AI tools that can elevate your tech game. Without further ado, let's explore the endless possibilities together. The first tool on our list is ChatGPT, probably the most obvious one that pretty much everybody already knows about. Yes, ChatGPT has a free version and a paid version, but a free version is still very useful. I find it to be really handy for getting advice, coming up with ideas for things like videos, and creating titles for copywriting. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or someone simply exploring the capabilities of AI, ChatGPT opens up a world of creative possibilities. I've created numerous videos about it, and practically every other YouTuber on the planet has too. You can find it over at chat.openai.com. But it's not the only free chatbot in the game. We also have Google Bard, which just recently got an update with Gemini Pro. I found Google Bard to be a fantastic chatbot, especially when I want to browse the web through a chat interface. For instance, if I asked about the best pizza in Washington, it does an excellent job breaking down the top contenders, and what's cool about it is that it even uses different colors to show how confident it is about a particular response. If you want to give it a try, you can access Bard for free at bard.google.com. Next up, we have Character AI. This is also a free chatbot, however, it's more designed for fun, conversational interactions with fictional characters. Unlike the other two, which are great for summarization, research, advice, and ideas, Character AI is tailored to be a playful, entertaining chatbot. You can pick a fictional character, or even create one and just have silly conversations with it. This one's really popular among younger generations because it's just a fun, entertaining, playful chatbot. So for example, if you want to talk to William Shakespeare over here, you can just click the icon and type in your question, and he's gonna answer your question in a respectful way, even if you're asking him a funny question. But if you want to learn more about the website, you can head on over to the website at beta.character.ai. Then next up, let's talk about TextFX. This is actually a tool that was built in collaboration between Google and Lou Fiasco. It is especially designed to help you overcome writer's block and boost your creativity. So whether you're a musician, poet, or writer, if you need assistance in finding words that are similar to others, TextFX is there to help. One example that it can do is create an acronym, so I'm gonna type in the word love and click on run. Then it's gonna create a handful of acronyms about love like we have on my screen. Love let others value everyone, love let others venture everywhere, love let others visualize everything and more. So this is just one of 10 different tools that are in here. We have here the fuse, and this allows you to find intersection between two things. Then we have the chain also, and this allows you to build a chain of semantically related items. So I can say that this is really helpful if you are writing and the words are not just coming while you're on the topic. And once again, to navigate over here, just type in textfx.withgoogle.com. Now let's talk about some free image generation tools. Personally, my favorite one is the Leonardo AI. We have numerous videos about this tool on our channel, so please check them out. While Leonardo AI is not technically free, for the cost of $0 per month, you can generate up to 150 images per day, and that's a significant amount. But if you're gonna make more than 150 images per day, you're free to purchase the upgraded plan. Leonardo AI can generate amazing images with a ton of available models to choose from. One of the coolest features they recently added, which is free for everybody to use right now, is the real-time canvas. You can type a prompt to generate an image, and it will create an image based on your prompt. As you're typing, you can literally see the image changing over here. Additionally, by drawing something on the canvas, the image will update according to your drawing. For example, if you draw a human figure, it will try to generate what you are drawing, and you can see it updating in real time on your output as well. This feature is currently free to use by visiting the application at app.leonardo.ai. Next up, we've got DALL-E 3, which we can use directly through the Microsoft Bing image generator. DALL-E 3 is one of the most prominent AI image generators right now, and it generates really good images. So let's try it out. Let's use the prompt an ethereal cityscapes where buildings are made of living trees and illuminated by the glow of floating orbs. And as you can see, it generated 4 images of the prompt, which is exactly what I expected it to be. So I have my cityscapes where buildings are made of living trees and illuminated by the glow of floating orbs. And over here, Bing provides you a certain of credits, but once you use the credits, the application is still free to use, but images just generate slower. And to navigate to the application, you can type in bing.com/images/create on your web browser. The next step, we have the ideogram. And this was one of the first image generators that came out that was really good at adding text to the image. And let's try the same prompt over here. An ethereal cityscapes where buildings are made of living trees and illuminated by the glow of floating orbs. So as you can see on my screen, for the most part, it did a pretty good job on generating these images. So I have a really nice images over here that I can use to my projects or for my posting. And you can navigate to the application at ideogram.ai. And again, this is probably the best available if you want to make sure the text is also included in your AI generated image. And we have a ton of videos about this tool, so once again, please check them out on the channel. Next up, let's talk about some cool free AI image editing tools. For example, we've got the Magic Eraser tool. It allows you to upload images and erase sections from that image. For example, here's an image that I have generated from an AI tool, and I don't really like this portion over here, so I'm gonna remove this from the photo. So simply brush off this section and click the erased, and it will be removed on your image shortly. And click on this icon over here. This is where you can see the before and the after look. So as you can see, this tool is really easy to use. And to find this tool, you can navigate to magicstudio.com and you will be routed shortly to the Magic Eraser tool. And moving on, we have here the Liapix Converter. And this is kind of fun AI tool because it takes your 2D images and convert them into sort of 3D animated images. So for example, I have the image over here in ideogram, which I generated earlier as you can remember. If I drag and drop this image into the Liapix Converter, we can witness the magic as it converts it into this 3D sort of video here. There are various settings available here to enhance our image editing experience. Feel free to explore all of these options for yourself at liapix.com. Next up, we have the Play Phrase Me, and have you ever wanted to find a specific clip from a TV show or movie but you cannot remember exactly what it was from? Well, this Play Phrase Me is basically a search engine that searches for specific text from videos or movies. Like for example, if I type in I love you, you'll see that it will play a lot of videos containing that specific phrase. So let's try it out.
I love you.
I love you too.
I thought if I gave you all that I could, you would know that I love you.
I love you too, Daddy.
I want to tell you I love you.
And so as you can see, it goes and finds a whole bunch of video clips that use those exact words. This is really nice if you're trying to find a memes for your video editing. And personally, I really use this a lot. And to navigate over to the application, you can type in playphrase.me on your web browser. And you will be routed shortly into this page over here. And last but not the least, we have the audio box from Meta. This is a sound narrator, so if you need some sound effects or some narration, you can find this over at audiobox.metademolab.com. So here you can generate a speech in the style of any audio sample. Then you can also generate speech with novel voice styles using text description. You can change the style of any audio sample using text description. Then you can also generate sound effects over here from a text description or prompt. And let's actually try this one over here. So in here, I want to generate a sound effects of a rain dropping slowly. And once you're done with your prompt, just click generate and it's gonna give you a sound effects that is related to your prompt. Let's try to listen if it really did its job. And as you can see, it really did its job. So if you are in need of sound effects or narration, feel free to use this application over here. And with that, this brings us to the end of this video. So these are the free AI tools that you should know about because they are handy and effectively perform their tasks in a simple and user-friendly manner. From image generation to audio manipulation, these tools cater to various creative needs, making them invaluable resources for anyone exploring the realm of artificial intelligence. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you guys have any ideas or suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye!